Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, I'm going to be testing or tasting or showing you guys what omiyage I've gotten from my coworkers. So there are some stuff like this one. I know what's in it because I checked before, because you know I was just curious, you know. But like this one, I don't know what's in it, so I deliberately did not check because I wanted to be surprised. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this one. So I got this cupcake. No, I tasted it because, well, this is how I got it, and I thought it was like chocolate cake, but it's more like, it looks like, you know, it has the chocolate color, but it tastes like what do you call it, like green tea. It has a green tea type of taste, which I don't really fancy. So yeah, I have this, and I got this thing. I don't know what it is, but it came with these holes. Like, look at this, you know, like this. Just looking at this, it's kind of scary, but I'm gonna just go ahead and taste it. I've had it in my fridge for a while. Yeah, so this lady from work, she gave it to me. Wish me luck. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what the name of this filling, what's inside of this. It's messing up the place. This thing, I don't remember what it's called, but it's very popular. Like when you buy pastry, you might see this in it. I think, is it peas? I don't remember what it's called, but I think maybe it's peas or something like that. But yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. I got these. These are like rice crackers, which I don't like rice cracker. But yeah, so I got these. I already know the taste. I don't know how to describe the taste. I'm very sorry, but it's rice cracker material. What do they call it? Boy, I don't remember. I'm very bad at this. Let me go get a spoon. All right, so I asked my coworker where can I get aloe vera from. So he told me Chiba, which is like maybe like 2 hours by train from where I live. And then he went to the convenience store and he came back with an aloe vera yogurt. So I'm gonna be trying this. First of all, I don't like aloe vera like that. To eat it, like I'll eat it because it's very good for your body. But what I really wanted it for was to put in my hair, like my natural hair, because my hair, Japan is damaging my hair. So yeah, so that's what I really wanted it for, and not really necessarily to eat, but I would have, like, you know, drop a few in my mouth, swallow it like pill, because you know aloe vera is so bitter. But the man went and bought yogurt and gave me aloe vera yogurt. So I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't taste good, then I'm gonna put it in my hair. I'm gonna put the yogurt aloe vera in my hair. Okay, so let's see. Wow, this actually tastes better than I thought it would. This is surprisingly good. You know how aloe vera is very bitter? I don't taste the bitterness in it. It's actually sweetened. It's like one of those flavored yogurts, because they have plain yogurt and they have flavored yogurt. So this one is actually tastes really good. So this is gonna go all in my stomach, all of it. And they have some like the aloe vera lumps in it. Let me see if I can show you. So the aloe vera lumps are there, but if I chew it, there's no taste. no bitter taste. So this is actually very good. Alright, I have to finish you later. I'm gonna finish the video. Okay, so I don't remember who gave this to me. I think I got 2 of these, and it has a like a same green tea taste to it. Like here in Japan, green tea is a very big thing. So like a lot of things has, so even green tea ice cream. I don't remember moishi. I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, so you can see the green. So it's like the greenness is there, and then they have like the chocolate looking color, like the brown color coating the green. So if you look closely, you can see the green there. So oh, there you go. Yeah, green. So I don't want this right now. Yeah, because I'm not a fan of the green tea thing. This is, oh, so my 3rd year students, which is like grade 9, they went to Disneyland, and some of the teachers carried back something for me. So they left it on my desk. So like this is a note from them, and I know what this is. So they gave me this along with this chocolate. So like 3 of them combined gave it to me. This smells like cheese strips. Is this like a, what is this? Is this supposed to be like, I don't, this is just one thing. I bet you that this is like a rice cracker taste. Let me just eat it. Alright, so the next thing that I got is like a sticky pad. No, a sticky pad. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is too cute, man. Too cute. And it's, I'm gonna be using this at school. Then I'm leaving notes, like a little message on your desk. So I really appreciate this gift. The principal at my school, he gave this to me, and he was like, Omiyage, and I'm like, oh my god, you thought of me. Yeah, he thought of me and he bought me this gift. So I'm like, oh my god, I feel so special, you know, that the principal, like, you know, out of all the teachers, he gave this to me, and I honestly don't know what's in it. Disneyland Resort, so it has a lot of Mickey Mouse. Apparently they think I love Mickey Mouse, maybe, I don't know, or maybe it's just like a Mickey Mouse theme, I don't know. So this is a package, and let me look what's in it. Okay, wow, worms. These are like worms, and this, look at, they have sugar on it, sugar or salt. So this is it. The packaging is so cute. Look at this packaging. Alright, so cute. Mickey Mouse. Yeah, so I got this. So cute, from my principal. Alright, so this is a Ghana chocolate. So this is a very popular chocolate here. They have it in ice cream, chocolate, Ghana. Yeah, the country Ghana. So this is just a plain chocolate, which is, it actually tastes good. I got this, I think I got this for my birthday. I think I got it for my birthday. Let's see, I think it's chocolate. Is it chocolate? Did I open it? I don't even remember. Oh no, I guess I didn't open it because the tape is still on it. But I remember I got it for my birthday from one of my coworkers. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. This looks so cute. Look at this. My chocolate fell on the ground. Yeah, I got this chocolate. My chocolate fell on the ground, but I'm gonna eat it same way. Yeah, so this is plain. This is chocolate, plain chocolate, and they have 4 different types. So this is so cute. Like, these people wanna, like, I'm gonna gain weight here in Japan with all of these food and stuff. But anyway, so chocolate. I'm gonna put this back. This is so cool, like, you know, chocolate. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it's just a well thought of gift. The same person who gave me the chocolate, the yogurt, the delicious aloe vera yogurt, which I'm very surprised about, also gave me this thing. So this is like the same rice cracker type of taste. So March 3rd was Girls' Day and March 5th was Boys' Day, I think. So on the 3rd, he bought this for me at the convenience store and he gave it to me. I told me that, oh, it's Girls' Day today. He told me to try it, which I did. So this is why you see it's open. And it has different types of stuff in it. So let me show you guys. It has different types. And it also has different tastes, but it's same like the rice cracker type of taste. Sembe. Yes, sembe. That's what it's called, sembe. Yeah, and I'm not a fan of that. So I asked him if he wanted some and he said no. So so this is it. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with this, you know. But I'm not a fan of rice cracker. I don't like wasting food. So if you guys in Japan and you want this stuff, let me know. I'm not gonna waste it. If you like videos like these where I just show you guys what I've gotten from people, then thumbs up this video and let me know in the comment section that you want to see more, and I'll do more for you because I'm always getting stuff, always. That's it for this video. Subscribe, it's free. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know if there's anything you want to see, anything you want me to do, any question that you have, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, bye.